back to lock review. This is part 6. Master lock, once again. Do not have very high expectations for this number 140. Will it prove me wrong? This is just one of those locks where I do not have the key. So when it comes to opening, picking is really the only option. And I know I typically do not have just the most serious tone, you know, with the trash can and all that. But seriously, if you want security, stay away from Master. They do not have any security at all. Despite the whole 4-pin cylinder for improved lockpick resistance or whatever it says. It really isn't true, because these locks are not only easy to pick, but they can be combed open, which any regular old idiot can comb a lock.